Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA G10. Today I'll show you all camera modes and settings. So let's open camera. And right here we've got our modes. And now let's proceed to settings. We can turn on or off shutter sound, grid lines, location tag. We can change data storage, turn on or off depth, burst shots, mirrors photos for front camera, scene detection. We can change photo resolution, and video resolution. And the last thing, we can reset our settings. And that's all for camera modes and settings in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.